Hello everyone, my name is Kiran Shinde and today's date is 25 August 2022 and today now I am discussing about the differences between array list and linked list. First of all, we discussing about difference between array list and linked list. We discuss what is the array list and what is the linked list. First of all, we see what is the array list. Array list class, it is implement the interfaces and it is uses to dynamic array to store the elements and it is to store the different types of the data types. This is the called as the array list, and it is the array list is the main it is the use of the array list. It is the to maintain the insertion order, and there is a no limit of the array size. We can add the and remove the elements from the array list. We can easily remove the and adding the elements any time and anywhere. This is the advantages of the array list. Next one is the linked list. Linked list. What is the linked list? Linked list, it is the used to class. It is implements the interfaces and it is used to doubly linked list in internally used to storing the elements, and it is the maintain the insertion sort also. This is the called as the linked list in Java. First of all, what is the advantages of the linked list and what is the advantages of the array list? Array list is supposed to we suppose we have adding the elements to direct we can directly add the remove the add the and remove the elements, but we cannot be in linked list adding or remove directly. We can to sequence wise to adding the likes to starting from the index 0 index. We cannot be direct index given index. This is the disadvantage of the linked list. We see first of all differences between the array list and linked list. Array list it is storing the elements. It is storing the elements, and linked list it is the to implement the interface and storing the elements and maintain the insertion order. Next one, array list. It is the array list. It is the used to better to accessing the data, and linked list it is the to manipulating data. In array list, it is require the less memory to compare to the other linked list. And in linked list it is the consume the more memory. It is the consume the more memory to compare to that the array list. Array list we store the elements in stack memory, and linked list we store the elements in heap memory. Array it is the two continuous homogeneous also elements, and it is the and linked list it is a collection of the nodes. It means that it is the collection of the data and structures, data and structures also. This is the all about differences array list and linked list. Thank you.